Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can allow others to add me by my ID online. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Line app in your device. Then tap on Settings icon. After that, tap on Privacy. Next, you can see the option of Allow others to add me by my ID. Turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can allow others to add me by my ID online. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.